Here's some challenging political doctrines trivia. Subscribe. Which ideology advocates government ownership of production? Is it A, conservatism, B, monarchism, C, libertarianism, or D, socialism? The correct answer is D, socialism. What is the belief that government should be minimal? Is it A, anarchism, B, statism, C, socialism, or D, libertarianism? The correct answer is D, libertarianism. Which political doctrine emphasizes traditional values? Is it A, conservatism, B, socialism, C, progressivism, or D, liberalism? The correct answer is A, conservatism. What is the theory of economic systems governed by market forces? Is it A, feudalism, B, communism, C, capitalism, or D, socialism? The correct answer is C, capitalism. Which ideology seeks to establish a classless society? Is it A, anarchism, B, capitalism, C, Marxism, or D, liberalism? The correct answer is C, Marxism. What describes the principle of equality before the law? Is it A, rule of law, B, due process, C, social contract, or D, legal privilege? The correct answer is A, rule of law. Which political theory focuses on individual rights? Is it A, socialism, B, communism, C, liberalism, or D, fascism? The correct answer is C, liberalism. What is the political theory advocating for social justice? Is it A, libertarianism, B, conservatism, C, progressivism, or D, social Darwinism? The correct answer is C, progressivism. Which term refers to a system in which the state controls all economic activity? Is it A, laissez-faire, B, capitalism, C, planned economy, or D, free market? The correct answer is C, planned economy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.